Moving involves a lot of variables coming together in order to have the experience be a successful one. In this video, we'll provide you with tips and tricks for managing a move. And while hiring the right moving company is always important, these steps can be just as important as the movers themselves. How to pack. Packing is half the battle when it comes to moving. Knowing how to do it right can save you a huge amount of grief and make life easier for your movers. It can also save you money and ultimately ensure your belongings get to their destination intact. Make sure you use proper boxes. Weak or repurposed boxes can fail, leaving your belongings scattered all over the streets. Make sure the box is strong enough to securely hold the weight of the items you're going to be placing inside of it. Ensure all your breakable items are properly wrapped and secured. Use bubble wrap and packing paper to insulate each item from the others in the box so that breakable items aren't banging against each other. And be sure to pack items tightly together so they can't bang and move around in the package. Getting boxes. Getting proper boxes is vital in order to pack up your things. You always have the option of purchasing boxes from a moving company. The upside is that you know you're getting a high-quality product that can hold up to the stresses of a move. But if you don't want to get professional-grade moving boxes, there are other places you can ask for boxes, including grocery stores, liquor stores, and office supply stores. Predict moving costs. While it can be difficult to predict the exact amount of your moving costs, there are several things you can do to help you set up a budget. This ensures that you're financially prepared for everything that goes along with moving. For starters, get quotes from multiple moving companies, preferably with on-site estimates. Don't forget to budget extra money for tipping the movers. Find out whether or not the coverage the moving company provides is enough for your needs. Budget for additional third-party insurance if it is not. And be sure to account for specialized items that may cause your moving costs to go up. For instance, pianos typically cost more to move than the same volume or weight of household goods because of the high degree of difficulty involved in moving the heavy instruments. Hiring movers. We left this step for last, not because it's the last step you should take chronologically, but perhaps it is the most important. Hiring the moving company is going to be the largest determinant in what kind of moving experience you have. Do your research and be sure to talk to many different companies. This isn't just about getting quotes, but also about getting a feel for the type of service the company provides. Don't be afraid to ask questions, and if the answers you get don't satisfy you, don't be afraid to call one of the many other moving companies that work in your area. There are a lot of moving parts to any move, and this guide only scratches the surface. Hopefully, these tips and pieces of advice help start you on the path to a simple and stress-free move. Contact us today to help with all of your moving needs. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.